In this video, I'll show you how to ask your customers multiple questions on a single slide in your quiz. Let's imagine we have a quiz where we want to collect a customer's personal information. For example, their name, email address, and phone number. Of course, you could ask these as 3 separate questions, one for the name, another for the email, and a third for the phone number. However, it's often more user-friendly to ask for all this information on one slide. To do that, instead of adding separate questions, you can simply add multiple input blocks to a single question slide. Here's how. Open your quiz in the quiz builder, select the question where you want to collect this information, and click Add Block. A drop-down will appear showing all available block types. From here, you can, for example, add an email address block, add a phone number block, and then drag them to arrange their order. For instance, placing the email field right below the name and the phone number field below the email. This setup lets users provide all their personal information on one step of the quiz, without having to move through multiple slides. Once you're happy with how your slide looks, save the changes, and then preview your quiz to see how it appears to your customers. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.